In today's interconnected world, the rapid growth of the internet and digital technologies has reshaped how businesses operate, consumers shop, and economies function. At the center of this transformation are e-commerce and digital trade, two interrelated concepts that are creating new opportunities while also raising fresh challenges. Understanding these concepts is essential for students, entrepreneurs, and policymakers who wish to thrive in the digital age. E-commerce, electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services through the internet. It includes activities such as online retail shopping, for example, Amazon, Alibaba, Daraz, business-to-business, B2B, platforms, digital services, for example, streaming subscriptions, online education, mobile commerce via smartphones and apps. E-commerce makes it possible for businesses to reach a global audience, reduce operating costs, and provide consumers with convenience and variety. Digital trade goes beyond e-commerce. It includes not only the digital buying and selling of products and services, but also the cross-border flow of data, digital services, and information that enables trade. For example, cloud computing and digital platforms, cross-border digital payments and fintech services, remote work and outsourcing through online platforms. Data transfers that allow businesses to manage supply chains globally. Digital trade is crucial for modern globalization, as it enables both small and large enterprises to participate in international markets without the traditional barriers of distance and cost. 1. Economic growth. Digital trade contributes billions of dollars to global GDP each year. 2. Job creation. Millions of jobs have emerged in IT, logistics, digital marketing, and customer service. 3. Access for small businesses. E-commerce platforms allow small and medium enterprises, SMEs, to access customers worldwide. 4. Consumer benefits. Greater choice, competitive pricing, and convenience. 5. Innovation. Growth in fintech, AI-driven retail, blockchain, and secure payment systems. Despite its benefits, e-commerce and digital trade face several challenges. Cybersecurity threats such as hacking and data theft. Regulatory barriers as countries adopt different digital trade policies. Digital divide where developing countries lack reliable internet infrastructure. Privacy concerns with cross-border data flows. Taxation issues in online transactions. The future will likely see integration of artificial intelligence, AI, personalized shopping, and automated customer service. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, more secure and transparent transactions. Metaverse commerce, virtual shopping experiences in 3D digital worlds. Greener digital trade, sustainable packaging, energy-efficient logistics, and eco-friendly digital practices. E-commerce and digital trade are not just trends, they are the foundations of the digital economy of the future. While opportunities are immense, success depends on addressing challenges such as security, regulation, and inclusivity. For individuals, businesses, and governments, adapting to this transformation is no longer optional, it is essential.